Hi beautiful family, welcome to a new day and a new video. So on today's video, we're going to be working on these sounds, the ion and the ek, ion, ek, ion, ek. So we're going to be working on these two sounds today. So without wasting much of our time, let's go right into the video. So the very first letter, we have the B. This is bion, bion, bion. And we have C. Sion, sion, sion. We have D. Dion, dion, dion. F. We have fion, fion, fion. Move to G. We have gion, gion, gion. And now to H. We have hyun, hyun, hyun. We move to J. We have Jion, Jion, Jion. And K, we have Kion, Kion, Kion. I have Myeon, Myeon, Myeon. N, I have Neon, Neon. P, I have Pion, Pion, Pion. The next one we have the Hui, Huion, Huion, Huion. We move to an R, we have Rion, Rion, Rion. And X, we have Sion, Xion, Xion, not Sion, Xion, Sion, Xion. Move to T, we have Xion as well. So these two sounds are pronounced alike. We have Xion and Shon. Shon, 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 Shon. You hear attention, progression, okay? Both the S and the T in this very sound the same, okay? So let's move to the next one. We have V, Vion, Vion, Vion. And to W, X, and Z, we have Rion, Rion, Rion. This is the we sound. Rion. We have the Zion, Sion, Zion. This is the Yon, Yon, Yon. And now the Z, we have Zion, Zion, Zion. And it's equally called Zion, Zion, Zion. Okay, so let's go over it. We have Ion, Bion, Sion, Dion, Fion, Gion, Hyun, Jion, Kion, Myeon, Neon, Pion, Huion, Rion, Xion, Xion, Tion, Xion, Rion, Wion, Zion, Yeon, Zion, Zion. Okay, let's go over it again. We have Eon. This is the Eon sound, Eon, without any letter to it. It is I-O-N, E-on, Eon. We have Bion, Sion, Dion, Fion, Gion, Hyun, Jion, Kion, Myeon, Neon, Pion, Huion, Rion, Sion, Xion, Tion, Xion, Rion, Wion, Zion, Yeon, Zion, Zion. Now looking at these sounds, some of these sounds, they sound the same like I just mentioned here. I have Xion, and this is equally pronounced as Xion, okay? We pronounce this as Xion, and this is as Xion as well. So let's go over it one more time. We have the Eon, Bion, Sion, Dion, Fion, Gion, Hyun, Join, Kion, Myeon, Neon, Pion, Pion, Huion, Rion, Xian, Shin, Shin, Vion, Rion, Zion, Yeon, Zion, Zion, Zion. Okay, now let's see the next one. So we have right here the ek, ek sound. So we start with the first one. We have beck. So this is beck, beck, beck. We have sek, sek, sek. We have deck, deck, deck. We have feck, feck, feck. We have geck, geck, geck. We have heck, heck, heck. Next one we have the cake, cake. We have leg, leg, leg. We have neck, 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 and neck, neck, neck. We have peck, peck, peck. Again we have quack, quack, quack. We have wreck, wreck, wreck. And the next one we have S. This is sec, sec, sec. We have T, tech, tech, tech. We have the next one, the V. We have vec, vec, vec. We have W, wek, wek, wek. X, sec, zec, sec. Y, yek, yek, yek. And Z, zek, zek, zek. Okay, so let's pronounce them together. Let's go. The ek, ec, ek, ek, ek. So we go beck, sec, deck, feck, jack, heck, jack, keck, leck, meck, neck, peck, quack, wreck, sec, tech, vec, wek, zek, yek, zek. Okay, let's try it again. We have beck, beck, sec, sec, deck, deck, feck, feck, geck, geck, heck, heck, jack, jack, keck, keck, leck, leck, meck, meck, neck, neck, peck, peck, quack, quack, wreck, wreck, sec, sec, deck, deck, vec, vec, wek, wek, zek, sec, yek, yek, zek, zek. Okay, so this is what it is. And now effective, effective, connective, connective, protective, protective, projector, projector, perfector, perfector, technology, technology, sector, sector, gecko, gecko, lecture, lecture, rector, rector, vector, vector. Again we have effective, 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 connective, 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 protective, 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 projector, 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 perfector, 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 technology, 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 sector, 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 gecko, 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 lecture, 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 rector, 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 vector, vector, vector. Now let's see this side. We have companion, companion, symbion, symbion, zillion, zillion, champion, champion, contagion, contagion, million, million, fashion, fashion, region, region, union, union, attention, attention, confusion, confusion, promotion, 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 companion, 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 symbion, 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 zillion, 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 champion, 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 contagion, 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 million, 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 fashion, 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 region, 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 union, 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 attention, confusion, 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 promotion, promotion, promotion. So what do you think about today's lesson? As you can see, we have fect, neck, tech, jack, fek, tech, sec, gek, lek. And on this side we have neon, bion, leon, pion, gion, leon, shion, gion, neon, shon, shon, shon. Okay. If you have to compare what we pronounced here versus what we have here, you're going to see that the sounds actually match, okay? So it is advisable that you keep trying this pronunciation over and over and over again. The day 1, the day 2, the day 3, the day 4, the day 5, till today being the day 6 of our 31 days pronunciation journey. So far so good. This is what we're going to be calling it short for today's video, and I actually believe that today's lesson was impactful. If you actually gain 1 or 2 out of today's lesson, make sure to drop me a lovely comment in the comment section. All right, keep being amazing, stay safe, and see you soon in our next class. Bye for now.